Short exercise 7-9, we're going to post from the purchases journal to our general ledger and to the AP subledger. So our first task is to add up the columns. So we're going to add up 2200 plus 600, that's 3000. Excuse me, that's 2800 plus 900 is 3700. And then I can just copy and paste these totals. Of course, you can just type them in there. Copy, paste, check answer, fantastic. Now we've got our AP subledger. Now remember, the reason we have our AP subledger is because if your boss says we need to pay off the Mayer company, how much do we owe them? You can't just look at here and assume that this is the only transaction we've had with them. So you would post that to the AP subledger, and there you can find your current balance. Now it just so happens that if we look over here, there are no previous balances for these three vendors. So these amounts here are actually what we owe them. So what I recommend you do, start at the top, just like you would in the real world. You start on October 1st. You would post this $2,200 as a credit to Mayer Company with a new balance of $2,200. Happen on October 1st. Posting reference, Purchases Journal, page 6. P stands for purchases. The 6 is page 6 up here. And then normally we'd go over here and put a check mark in the posting reference to let everyone know and to remind us that we posted that. But My Accounting Lab makes us do it in a different order. So we go to $600 credit for Bird Company, credit balance P6. That happened on October 11th. And then we've got $900 credit for Silly Company. That's a silly name. And that happened on the 24th. P6. Then we need to post to the general ledger. All right. So we have to look up here to see if we have any previous balances, and we don't. However, we do have to put a 0 for a previous balance, and we have to put it on the correct side, on the normal balance side. Remember, normal balance just means the plus side. So let's look at inventory. Since it's an asset, its normal balance is on the left, on the debit. Same with office supplies. Same with furniture. Those three are all assets. AP is a liability. Its normal side is on the right side. In other words, the plus side. Now we're going to review the purchases journal and post from the purchases journal to the ledger. Now this link is nice and handy on the homework. However, because this link technically has part of the solution to the problem, it's not going to be here on the test. So you would have to scroll up all the way up here to the purchases journal. However, we'll take advantage of this so we don't have to scroll so much. So here's what I recommend you do. Start from the left side and work your way over. So we have $3,700 as a credit to AP. So I'm going to copy and paste that. Our new balance is $3,700. This is posted at the end of the month from Purchases Journal, page 6. We got inventory, $2,200 debit. Posted at the end of the month. Then we got $600 office supplies, debit. At the end of the month, all these totals are posted at the end of the month. And then technically this $900 is not posted because it could be from multiple accounts. However, we go up to the individual amount. $900 for the furniture is a debit. And here's where a lot of students make errors. It would not be a huge earth-shaking error in the real world, but even though this $900 is being posted at the end of the month, you do keep this original date of the 24th. And I'm done. Fantastic. Then we're going to enter the posting references in the purchases journal. So here's our purchases journal. And so let's do these in chronological order. So at the end of the day on October 1st, we would have we would have posted this to the subledger, and the subledger, when you post to it, it's a check mark. And on the 11th, you would have posted this to the subledger, check mark, and the $900 would be posted on the 24th to the subledger as a check mark. Again, these posting references are to remind you and other people that this $2,200 has been posted. Don't go and post it again. All right, then this $3,700 is posted as a total to AP, which is account 211. And this $2,200 was posted to inventory, which is account 115. And then office supply, $600 was posted to account 116. And then do we post this $900 total? No, it does not get posted. So put an X. The reason this $900 does not get posted is this is the other accounts. So the total of other accounts, this could be furniture and a whole bunch of other things like land and building. Would you post the total to one of those accounts? No, they each individually get posted. So where do we post this $900? To the furniture account, which was account 151. Check our answer. Awesome. And then lastly, balance the total of the vendor balances in the AP subledger against the AP in the general ledger. So notice this as the general ledger, so we're going to scroll up to the general ledger, and we find AP in the general ledger. And what is its balance? $3,700 credit. And then we go to the subledger, which we could cheat and go right here, but on the test you're going to have to scroll up to the subledger up here to get the totals. So I'll do it the lazy way. Actually, it's not lazy, it's more convenient. And so we're going to find the balance of Bird Company, 600, Mayer Company, 2,200, Silly Company, 900, and then we're going to add this, and this, and they have to equal that, and they do, $3,700, because remember, this AP subledger is just a breakout of the AP account showing who owes us, or no, who do we owe this $3,700 to, and here's the answer: Bird Company, Mayer Company, and Silly Company. And that's it.